Morning, everyone. Today we have the first gen. We have the trailer, gooseneck, so you know what that means. Picking up a truck. So, we gotta go over to the house and pick it up, talk to the guy, buy it, and it's only 71 grand for how nice it is and how pristine it is, or pristine condition it is in. That's a pretty good price. And there she is. Dually motor. Oh, never mind. Guess we're taking her for a test drive. Wait, so we can get the trailer lined up. Attach trailer. Back it up. Take for a test drive when I get out of here. Park up in the snow. Hopefully his neighbor doesn't mind. Attach trailer. Let's see where this is at. I back up a little bit more. There we go. We'll chill right here. So, crap. I got to unload the trailer. Put this back out of view. I'll drive over here. So I don't have to walk that far. We can just park right here. There. Take it for a little test drive. Take her down to this river. I already talked to him, paid him, all that. We just gotta go down and sign the papers for it. But first, I'm gonna see how deep the river is since I got a lifted truck. I will be doing mods on this, so you guys leave some comments in the below to see what I should do to it. I should probably put a snorkel on it. Yeah, that's deep. There's no way I'm going in there without falling. Do some rock crawling real quick. Actually, let's do a little hill climb over there. Look at that place. And that's where I have to go sign the papers to make this truck mine. I'm just gonna go up there and sign them real quick. Okay, got the paper signed and all that. We just gotta head back, load her on the trailer, bring her home, or find a mud place. Probably gonna use my drone to find that, because I just moved here. And I'm still unpacking. Still buying stuff. Gotta buy some toys. Move the truck up a little bit more so I can get her evenly on. Okay. Okie dokie, we got her on. Quickly ran over this. Okay, now you just gotta hook her up and then we'll be good to go, set and ready to go to the mud park. Okay, I'm gonna check my drone for some mud spots real quick. Okay, I looked at the drone, see where I found some mud holes. I found one. It's a hard way to get over there, because I gotta run over the river, or I gotta go take bridge over the river. And we have to go across through someone's yard, I think. And then, you know, get the truck unloaded, get her ready to mud. I'm not going to be doing that much talking, because, yeah. Hello, sir. Sorry about that. I was just trying to get over the mud hole. So I gotta turn around. Okay if I make you turn up there? Yes, sir. Okay, thanks. Ooh. Don't want to hit the truck. Or truck gang. Or mud truck gang. I gotta get to that bridge. I see now. Ooh. Drifting. Legal turn, but no cops. We're good. Stop and get some food real quick. Skirt, skirt. Oh, made me full. Can I get out of here? Yeah. Can I get out of here? Yeah. Those cars are puny. Who cares if they get hit? They look like they're broken down. You go to the junkyard. Looks like some boys are excavating up here. I'll zoom out real quick. Yep, doing some excavating. Hopefully that's done soon. I'll see if I can make it across. Yes, sir. Ooh! She's stuck. And we made it. I think I have to go up here. I'm gonna check my drone real quick. Check on you guys in a little bit. Okay, I just checked my drone. This is the wrong way. This is to the rock park. But I might have to load this up on the trailer. Take the mud truck off so we can get through this. So I don't wreck this baby. Hopefully no cops are up here. Probably get pulled over my window tint and endangering people for my driving. Even though no one's out today. Today's work day for people. Not me. Ooh, no. Go. Come on, baby. Okay, we're good. Thought she was gonna tip on me. And she drifts away. Okay, let's see what this place looks like. Is there a way I can get through? Can I get through here? Nah. Okay, let's back her up. I'll checking in a second when I get the trucks loaded. Trucks are loaded up. Now we just gotta get past these rocks. Send it. I did not plan on going this way. Ooh, can't make it through there. Ooh! She's flippy. Go right here. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. God dang it. Now I gotta go through the woods. Ooh, don't tip. That's what I thought. Almost went over the edge. Put her in the high. I'll make our way through the woods. Actually, screw it. We'll take it through the water. Actually, no, it's too deep. Whoever made this map, congrats on making this, but the river is too deep. Thing's like 600 feet deep. Man, it could have gone right here. Got to the mud place. No way I'm making it through there. Just literally snake my way up here. No, don't get stuck. Back her out. No, switch them up. If I can. Don't go in the water. Okay, I'll check on you guys in a second. Well, that's all I'm gonna do today because I got the truck stuck in the water and I had to respawn. Okay, I'll post this video. Hopefully people see it. Bye.